Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So as Gujarat month has begun, I have started it off with this delicious snack from Gujarat and this is called Khandvi. Khandvi is a super soft snack from Gujarat which is super healthy and so tasty, and this tastes so good with green chutney or as it is. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a bowl take half cup of besan and half cup of curd. To that add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Also add 1 teaspoon of ginger green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 cup of water. The ratio of besan is to curd is to water should be 1:1:2. Now give this a good mix and prepare a lump-free batter. Now strain this batter onto a pan. This makes sure our batter has no lumps and no solid materials. Now cook it on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes for it to thicken. See how beautiful it has thickened now. Continuously stir it and keep it stirring till it comes to dropping consistency like so. After that, turn off the heat and spread it on the back of a plate. So we need to spread it using a spatula like so. Spread it as thin as you can and let it set for 10 minutes at room temperature. After that, cut it like so and spread some coriander leaves and grated coconut on top. Now carefully roll it. This is very delicate, so you need to be careful while rolling it, otherwise it will break. So our perfect khandvi is here. You can make all the khandvis like so and place it on a plate. Now let's prepare the tadka for the khandvi. For that, in a tadka pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds and 8 to 10 curry leaves. Let everything splutter. And then add it to the khandvi we spread on the plate. And the crunch this adds to the khandvi is out of the world. This recipe makes for the delicious and healthy khandvi that you can have as breakfast or snack, and you can have it anyway, and this tastes so good. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.